Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS speaking at home. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, which includes an introduction, a long turn, and a discussion. Knowing what to expect helps reduce anxiety and allows you to focus your practice. Next, identify common themes and question styles. This foundational understanding is crucial for building confidence and developing relevant vocabulary. Let's dive into practical steps you can take right away. To truly improve, consistent practice is key. Try speaking for 2 minutes on a random topic every day, just like in part 2 of the test. You can also talk to yourself or a mirror, describing your day or opinions. This helps you articulate thoughts clearly without pressure. Remember to use a timer to get comfortable with the time limits for each section. Focus on linking your ideas naturally, ensuring your responses flow well. Building a strong vocabulary and mastering grammar are essential. Actively learn new words and phrases related to common IELTS topics and try to use them in your practice. Focus on applying a variety of grammatical structures correctly, such as complex sentences and different tenses. Incorporate idioms and phrasal verbs naturally to show a wider range of language. Don't forget to work on your pronunciation, paying attention to intonation and stress for clearer communication. Finally, simulating the actual test environment is invaluable. Conduct full mock speaking tests, timing yourself for each section. Record these sessions and listen back critically to your own performance. This self-assessment helps you pinpoint weaknesses in fluency, coherence, or vocabulary. If possible, get feedback from a native English speaker or an IELTS tutor. Their insights can provide targeted guidance, helping you refine your skills and boost your confidence for test day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.